Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Mexican shrimp stew with simple instructions. Okay, so we're going to start by cutting the tomato. Okay, now we're just going to cut the onion. Okay, now we're just going to cut some garlic, serrano pepper. So all of that is going to go to the pot. We're also going to need 2 bay leaves, just 2. And I don't know if you have this, but you can add some tomato bouillon with chicken flavor. This actually goes well with it. Now I'm just going to add some avocado oil. It should be enough. Okay, so oil is ready. We're going to add all the ingredients. The tomato now. Then you mix it around. Mix it. Oregano leaves. I think that should do it. And we're gonna add our tomato leaves. Not tomato leaves, but I mean bay leaves. Okay, so now we are going to add our tomato bouillon. It's about a tablespoon. I think that should be good. Now this is how you want it to look with this. I think that's like almost like a paste. Now we're going to add the prawns or your shrimp. Alright, so now I have my prawns ready. Shrimp, got about 12 of them. Just going to add them here. These ones have actually the head. I got these ones at Costco actually. And then you just mix. At this point I'm just going to add some salt. Maybe a little more. That should be good. And just keep mixing. It's been about 5 minutes that the shrimp have been cooking. It's almost getting ready to just add the water. I'm gonna start adding 16 ounces of water. Might add a little more. I think I'm gonna have 16 more ounces. Looks pretty good already. I think that should be good. Now we just go over it and let it boil for maybe 10-15 minutes. Seems like this is ready. Boiling definitely. It's been about 15 minutes. And this is pretty much ready. Let me give it a taste. Looks good to me. Yep, definitely ready. So there you have it. Easy, inexpensive shrimp stew, Mexican style.